everyone, welcome back to Modern Homesteading with Tessa. I'm Tessa, and this is a channel where I show you how to feed yourself. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from Johnny's Seeds. So this is actually the first time I've ever ordered from Johnny's Seeds. I usually order from Baker Creek because I'm a big seed saver and I really like having open pollinated varieties that I can save seeds from. But I wanted to branch out a little bit this year. I have lots of seeds. I have tons and tons of seeds saved from my open pollinated varieties. I feel like I have enough there that I'll be okay, you know, for a few years or whatever. And I wanted to try some different stuff. I usually don't even grow any hybrid stuff. So let's see what I got. Okay, what do we got in here? All right, so, onions. I was really excited about these. So, Monastrell onions, I believe those were a red variety. Tendita romaine lettuce. I really like the little gem lettuce, and this looked similar to that. So this looked like a good variety of seed for like making taco lettuce boats, or filling them with tuna salad or egg salad. I don't know, it looked delicious. Okay, so that came on lettuce. Sparks, another type of romaine lettuce. Shallots, nice, that can live with onions, alliums. Cabbage, so this is storage number 4. This is a hybrid storage cabbage, and so my goal for these is to grow cabbage to where I can hang them in a cool place. I don't have a root cellar or anything, but my goal is to have somewhere where I can hang them and have cabbage throughout the winter. More onions. This is Cabernet and a yellow onion called Calibra. Okay, what's next? Oh, the Hakurei turnips. I hear so many good things about the Hakurei turnips. They're supposed to be absolutely delicious. I'm not usually a huge turnip fan. I like them, they're fine. But the Hakurei turnips are supposed to be really good. Carrots, this is Glow Sticks Sunrise Mix. This is butternut squash. So this one's called Butter Baby, and it is an open pollinated variety. I have a variety of baby butternut squash that I grew last year that I absolutely loved and adored, but there was no seeds. There was no seeds to be heard of in any of the butternut squash that I grew, and so I wasn't able to save seeds from them. So I loved the size though. They were probably like, oh, I don't know, that big. So it was like the perfect size for dinner without having like tons of butternut squash going on. So I'm excited to see what these are like. They are a hybrid, but I don't know, it'll be fun. What's this? Statice. Yeah, so this will be, it's called Seeker Blue Statice. And this I plan on using in my garlic braids this year. Straw flower, also going in the garlic braids. And I don't usually grow a lot of flowers, so flowers are kind of uncharted territory for me. So if anyone has any tips on growing straw flower or statice, send them my way. Atlas carrots, I'm going to carrot pile. Pak choy, this one's called Joy Choy. It just kind of made me happy and looked good. Dragon carrots. These are our favorite carrot. We absolutely love them. My kids love them. I had to stop them from going out and pulling all the carrots up and eating them all. These are very good. And these are also a pelleted seed. Ooh, in a bottle. What is this? More carrots. So these are sugar snacks. This is a pelleted seed as well. Deep purple carrot. So these look like super dark purple. So I really wanted to try those because they look delicious. So also a pelleted seed. Then this is the year of the carrot. Here's another carrot called Bolero, which is a storage carrot. So I'm hoping I can do kind of the same as I do with my cabbage and get some to store through the winter for fresh eating. So this year I'm gonna try really, really hard on getting lots of carrots. I always grow some, but I want to grow more. Like every year I'm like, we need more carrots, and it's never enough. So this year I'm going buck wild on carrots. Okay, what's next? Oh yes. Pro Cut Orange Excel Sunflower. So this is a hybrid single stem sunflower. So my idea here is I'm gonna be doing some markets and stuff this year, so I would like to have some for cut flowers so that can live with flowers. And then Maxi Bell bush beans. These, I actually don't think I knew that these were bush beans when I ordered them. But these looked good to me for dilly beans. And so I want like a nice tender, long, straight bean for a dilly bean. And I usually grow Blue Lake pole bean, and they do well. They're just not like straight or long or uniform in any way. And they're good, they taste good. I'm just like, want the perfect jar of dilly beans. And so that is my quest. And so that's why I'm trying these beans. Bloody Butcher corn. So this is a dry corn. So you would let it get all the way to maturity and dry, you know, in the field or whatever. And my idea with this is I would like to make cornmeal or corn flour from this. And it's like a really deep, dark red color. And this one is an open pollinated variety. So as long as I'm not growing another kind of corn near this, then I will be able to save seeds from that. Then this is Sugar Buns sweet corn. So I have yet to find a variety of open pollinated sweet corn that even compares to like what you would normally think of as sweet corn. And I love my corn. I absolutely love my corn. So I do grow hybrid varieties of corn. I've tried open pollinated varieties of sweet corn. I just still have not found one that performs well for me or that tastes good. So, so I've never grown this one before, but I liked the name Sugar Buns, so that's why I got it. To all plant breeders, if you name it something easy, I'm more likely to get it. If I can't pronounce it and I have no idea how to say it, then I'm less likely to buy it. That's just me. Anyway, all right, on with it. What's this? Oh, celery. This is Kelvin. So I do have some Utah celery and some pink celery seed that are open pollinated. This is called Kelvin, and it's supposed to grow well through the summer. So I have a hard time growing things in the winter here because we get so wet, like underwater, like flooded for the winter. And so I can't really grow normal winter stuff. And so I'm hoping that with this Kelvin celery that it will be able to grow during my drier growing season. So celery. Arugula flower burst yarrow. So this is one that I'm also going to be growing for my garlic braids. Another cabbage, so this is called Ruby Perfection, and it is a red cabbage, and it looked absolutely beautiful in the catalog. So I hope, because I love red cabbage, I like to make red sauerkraut, and then I make a canned coleslaw. Oh my God, do you guys want to see it? Hold on, I'll be right back. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I did this for the first time last year, did this red coleslaw, and it is absolutely a favorite. And unfortunately, I only did a small batch. I think I did, I don't know, less than a dozen jars, and this is the last one. And so I have plans to do a lot more of that because that was a big hit. It is delicious. So that's the plan for that. Where's cabbage? Where did I put the cabbage? Yeah, okay. And then more onions. These are white onions. I really, in addition to the carrots, I want to grow a lot more onions this year. So, which I need to start those like now. And leeks. I've never grown leeks before. So I'm going to grow some leeks. Okay, And then this is just some row cover. So that's why the box is so big, is because there's row cover. And then I also got the hoop guys for the row cover. All right, so I'm gonna get these all organized and put away in my seed containers. If you guys want a video on these, let me know in the comments below on how I organize and save my seeds. And I could totally do a video on that. But yeah, I'm gonna get these put away and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.